Hello everyone, good morning, happy new year. And today I'm going to make chicken biryani. Although I'm not expert in that, but I hope you like it. I'll make chicken biryani in the evening, not right now. I've left it for marination. I'll add the clips here. So I am all alone, and my mom has gone to the market to buy some vegetables. So she'll be back after, I guess, half an hour. So until that I need to cook breakfast. So yeah, I don't know I'll vlog this breakfast wala part or not. Maybe I'll just vlog the के भन्छ chicken biryani wala part. That also I'm not an expert, please. I'll give you a disclaimer. I'm not an expert in making chicken biryani. My sister, elder sister used to make. I used to just assist her. So त्यतैबाट अलिअलि हेर्दै बनाउनु सिक्छु. बनाउन अलिकति याद हुन्छ होला. अलिअलि प्रोसेस त मलाई याद छ. I know the process, but I'm not an expert in that. So maybe I'll just vlog that part. हेर अब के गर्न आँटेको भने चाहिँ आँटेको त्यहाँदेखि बी र आलु बनाउनु छ. सो बी आलु त्यहाँदेखि दाल भिजाइराख्नु भएको छ आमाले. सो पुरा काम छ हो. म एउटा काण्ड भन्छु ल फेरि मैले के गरेँ. वाट डिड आई डु अर्ली इन द मर्निङ चाहिँ अलिकति बिग्रिनु भएको छ. ल मेरो बुद्धि चाहिँ अलिकति बिग्रिनु भएको छ होइन. मैले के गरेँ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ तपाईँले आरो एक्वागार्डको चाहिँ त्यहाँ थियो. मैले सोचेँ एक्वागार्ड त पानी भरिँदै गर्छ, पानी खानु इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो. त्यो पानी त तातेको पानी विन्टरमा खानु इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो. सो आई जस्ट युज द्याट के पो थियो त्यो अर्कोवाला यस्तो प्लग पोइन्ट युज गर्छु भनेर चाहिँ गरेको त त्यो प्लग पोइन्ट त भित्र पस्यो. आमाले त मलाई मार्छु जस्तै उयो गर्नुभयो होइन. पिट्छु अब मार्छु होइन, द्याट्स रङ वर्ड. पिट्छु जस्तै हेर्नुभयो होइन. न्यु इयरकै दिन म त सोचेँ आज त वर्षभरि म धुला खाने रहेछ आमाको. आमा इज नट द्याट स्ट्रिक्टै. फेरि बाबा इज लाइक डेड स्ट्रिक्ट. आमा चाहिँ फेरि त्यस्तो स्ट्रिक्ट होइन कि. तर आमाले त्यसरी हेर्नुभयो. अब लाइक she'll get scared obviously because it's electricityबाट करेन्ट पास भयो भने म जेमा हुन सक्थेँ होइन. अन्त चाहिँ प्लग पोइन्टमा चाहिँ कुनै के भएको थियो, चल्दै चलेको थिएन, निकै दिन भएको थियो. चाहिँ बिग्रेको थियो. यो वाला चाहिँ छ नि अहिले फेभिक्विक लगाएर टालेको. अहिले चाहिँ बनियो. एकजना दाजु तल गयो अत्ताले होइन. म त के गर्नु भयो. आज फेरि न्यु इयरको दिन त पानी नखाइ त बस्नु सकिँदैन भनेर होइन. त्यो पनि हाम्रोमा चाहिँ जोरथाङमा चाहिँ पुरा हार्ड वाटर आउँछ नि त. सो पुरा थिक टेस्ट गर्छ. अन्त चाहिँ मलाई मन पर्दैन फेरि त्यो टेस्ट हो. अन्त आफ्नै लागि पनि मै नखरेबाज छु त्यस्तो कुरामा होइन. सो वाट डिड आई डु इज उतापट्टि गएँ होइन. अर्को घरमा अङ्कल इलेक्ट्रिसियनको नम्बर त बाबालाई पनि कल गर्छ नि. बाबाले मारिहाल्छ मलाई कल गरेर. कलमै बरु मलाई पिट्ला जस्तो गर्नुहुन्छ होइन. उतापट्टि गएँ. अन्त आई आस्क्ड अ नम्बर फ्रम द्याट अङ्कल एन्ड हि गेभ मी नम्बर. के पो थियो नाम पनि अङ्कलको त त्यो इलेक्ट्रिसियनको बाबा भाइ. अरे फेरि नामहरू के हुन्छ. अन्त बाबा भाइको नम्बर मागेर चाहिँ त्यहाँ उयो फिक्स गरेँ. मेरोमा 200 रुपियाँ क्यास थियो बिचरा म होइन. उयो हिजो मैले एटिएमबाट पैसा पनि निकाल्न बिर्सेँ. त्यो 200 रुपियाँ क्यास लिएर गयो दाजुले. के भन्नु, बोनी हो बहिनी दिनु नि भन्नुभयो कि. अफसोस की बात त्यस्तै छ. अन्त या मेरो यस्तो आई मिन अब न्यु इयरमा जे हुन्छ त्यही हुन्छ. मेरो प्रब्लम चाहिँ के छ भन्दा म बेसी अघि पतर गर्दै त्यो बेसी नबोल भनेको भगवान्ले कि. फोनको मेमोरी फुल भयो. बेसी बोल्यो भने मेरो अहिले उयो चिकन बिरयानीको रेसिपी हाल्ने पनि उयो हुँदैन, मेमोरी हुँदैन हो. सो आज एउटा भ्लग अपलोड गर्नुपर्ने छ. त्यसको बाद चाहिँ अलिकति मेमोरी फ्री हुन्छ होला. सो यहाँ मेरो अहिले त्यस्तो दुर्घटना चल्दैछ होइन. सो यहाँ अब भरे I'll vlog later because I don't have any memory left in my phone. So yeah, happy new year once again. I hope you are liking the videos. I'm new year को मेरो अर्को गोल रेगुलर हुने कन्टिन्युस अपलोड गर्ने. सो यहाँ बेसी बोल्दिनँ म, मेरो मेमोरी फुल हुन्छ. ओके बाई, ह्याप्पी न्यू इयर. भरे चिकन बिरयानी बनाउने टाइममा भेटौँ. बाई.
Step 1. Marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, combine dahi, biryani masala, salt, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder. Mix these ingredients well to form a smooth marinade. Add the chicken. Ensure each piece is thoroughly coated by mixing them well. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and refrigerate the marinate chicken for 24 hours. If you're short on time, marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now for the fried onions, also known as birista, slice the onions, slice them thinly and uniformly to ensure even frying. Heat oil in a heavy bottomed pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the onion slices in batches, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry, stirring occasionally until they turn golden brown and crispy. Monitor closely to prevent burning, as onions can quickly go from golden to burnt. After the onions are fried, drain them and place them in a plate and let them cool down. They will become crispier as they cool. To prepare the masala or a curry, you need marinated chicken, thinly sliced onions, tej patta, jeera dhania powder, oil, tikha lal, khada masala, adwa lasun ko paste, hing, salt, jeera, hardi, tomato, and thinly sliced green chilies. I have used the oil that was used for frying onions, as it absorbs the onion's flavor and can be utilized in the biryani preparation to enhance its taste. In a large pan, heat the same oil that was used for frying onions. Add cumin seeds, tej patta, khada masala. The khada masala used here will be given in the description below. Please check that out. Now add the sliced onions to the pan. Stir continuously until they turn golden brown. Add the ginger garlic paste and stir. Continue stirring until raw aroma disappears. Introduce the slit green chilies to the mixture and stir briefly. Add only the chicken pieces to the pan, leaving behind the marinade for later use. Cook on medium-high heat, stirring well to coat the chicken with spices. Add red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and salt as needed. Stir to combine. Cover the pan and let the chicken cook until it starts releasing its juices. Once the chicken releases water, add the chopped on tomatoes. Continue cooking until the gravy thickens and the chicken is tender. Now pour in the reserved marinade. Cook until the gravy reaches thick consistency and the chicken is fully cooked. Now for the rice, you need thick bottom pan, soaked rice, salt, khara masala, and 4 cups water. Add soaked rice in a thick bottom pan, 4 cups of water with a pinch of salt, whole spices, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaves. Cook until 70% done, then drain the water and set the rice aside. Now to layer the biryani in a large pot, layer the chicken masala and then layer the half cooked rice. Garnish with coriander, mint leaves, lemon, and fried onions, and you can add green chilies according to your spice tolerance. Continue the process till 2 layers or 3 layers as you wish. You can also add food color or saffron milk if you want to add some color in your biryani. And if you prefer some taste of ghee, you can add ghee as per your preference. To apply dum, cover the cooking pot with a tight fitting lid. If the lid isn't tight enough, prepare a simple dough and use it to seal the gap between the pot and the lid, ensuring no steam escapes. Place a flat pan on stove over medium heat. Set the sealed biryani pot on top of tawa. Cook the biryani on this direct heat for 15 to 20 minutes. In a bowl, whisk the buttermilk until smooth. Add cucumber, carrot, roasted cumin powder, rock salt, and chopped green chili. Mix well until all the ingredients are combined. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Serve chilled alongside biryani. Now, after 15 to 20 minutes, gently mix the biryani to mix the layers. Serve hot with raita or your choice of side dish. I hope you did try the recipe at home. It was my first time too, and my parents and my family loved it. So, thank you so much for watching. Do try the recipe at home and comment what you liked about the video, or how was your biryani. Did you make it or not? Did you try to prepare it or not? So, thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.